Welcome. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about if-else condition, also nested if-else condition, and we have also understood what is the problem with, and we have also understood disadvantage of using a repeated if-else. And we can write a efficient and easy to understand code using switch case. Let me create one more file now, switch case.js. So now let me declare one variable. Let, for example, here, let me declare let country equal to India. If country equal to India, console.log capital city is Delhi. Let me run this and verify whether it is working fine or not. Switch case.js. See, it is printing capital city is Delhi. Similarly, if we have to find out a capital city of hundreds of countries based on this condition, then you need to write again and again if condition, right? Else if country equal to USA, else if country equal to USA, then I can print console.log Washington DC, right? Like this, you need to specify for hundreds of countries. So this is not an efficient coding, right? So for this kind of cases, you can use a switch case. For example, let me comment this. What I can do is switch. I can specify here key is country. If case, then India, then what we can switch console dot log capital city is Delhi, and then similarly you can specify case USA, console dot log capital city is Washington DC. Like this, if this case is satisfied, then only this code will execute and it will break. It is not going to check all these conditions. For example, if I have like this, I have specified 180 or 190 or countries like this, right? Then it can check particular condition and execute that. It will be more efficient and it is more easy to understand this code, right? And I need to specify here break. It means it will come out of this condition once any of this condition is satisfied. And default, you can specify here console.log invalid country name. For example, instead of India, here I specify XYZ. If I specify some invalid country here, so it will execute this condition straight away, right? For example, see invalid country name. Similarly, I can specify more cases here. Case like Sri Lanka, I can say console.log capital city is Colombo, right? Then I can specify break. If I specify here country name Sri Lanka, then it should print this particular statement, capital city is Colombo. You can see here capital city is Colombo. This is printed, right? Also remember to specify break statement here. For example, if I don't specify a break statement here, what will happen? Let us see. Now I have commented the break statement. If I run this now, see, it is printing capital city is Colombo, then it's also printing this invalid country name, right? It's not meaningful. Suppose if I specify here, let us say India, then I run again, let us see what will happen. See, it is printing everything, capital city is Delhi, WDC, Colombo, then invalid name. But here country given is just India. It should have printed only this. So it is important to give the break statement in each of the case, right? So let me give this break statement. So in this way, you can use the switch case. for a better understanding of the code, also efficient. It will be faster because based on the value here, that is, if it is a country is India, straight away it will come here. If you specify Sri Lanka, it will straight away come here and execute this part. If none of these cases specified earlier are matching with this value, then default will get executed. It works like a else statement in a if block. In case of if condition is false, then else block will get executed, something like that. If none of these cases are executed, then default case will execute. In this way, you can use a switch case in JavaScript. Thank you for watching.